Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking, Clean and Everything Between. In today's video, I will show you how to make affordable candles at home using Dollar Tree tall candles. So without further ado, let's get into it. You will need some Dollar Tree tall candles of any color, some containers of your choice, candle wick, and fragrance is optional. Start by adding the tall candles into a pot at medium-low heat, add water all the way to the top, and let them melt. In the meantime, prep your candle containers by adding a wick to the very center of your container. I am using some stickers, but if you do not have them, do not worry. Some hot glue will work just fine. Back with the candles, 15 minutes pass by, and the key is to let them melt low and slow. At the 30-minute mark, with the help of a spoon, I push the top of the wax into the already melted wax to speed up the process a bit. Now guys, please be very careful handling the candles. They get very hot. Now fortunately for me, I can handle the heat very well. That's why you see me touching the candles without any protection. But definitely protect your hands when handling the hot candles. After 45 minutes, the wax was completely melted, so I went ahead and removed the wicks, and you can let them dry and reuse them for sure. Now for the fun part, it's time to pour the melted wax into our containers, making sure the wick is centered. And from here, you can let your creative side take over. You can do the candle in layers, just let the wax dry between each layer. You can add some glitter for a little bit of shine. You can add some dry materials. You name it, the sky is the limit. If you have enjoyed the video so far, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so you can see more videos like this one. Now it's time for us to cut the wigs. I think a nail clipper works best, but you can definitely use a regular scissors or whatever you have in hand. And here you have it, cute and affordable homemade candles. As always, my sweet friends, I'm so grateful to have you here. Thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Ciao!